Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna make carrot punch for you guys, so please stick around and watch this video. Our ingredients are, we have two 16-ounce bags of carrot, which is 2 pounds, and we have a supligent, we have nutmeg, we have condensed milk, vanilla, cinnamon stick, or you can use cinnamon leaf if you got cinnamon leaf, and we got some red label wine. You can use white rum. That part is totally optional. So first I'm going to go ahead and chop up my carrots. You also want to go ahead and wash your carrot and scrape them like this. While washing them, you want to go and scrape off the outer layer first, not too much, but just scrape them off. So I already have my carrots scraped and washed. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just go ahead and chop them up into small pieces. And what I'm gonna do, I'm also gonna boil them. I'm gonna boil them. So you just wanna go ahead and cut them up into small sizes like so. And you want to continue this process till all of the carrots are chopped. Okay? Now that the carrots are all chopped, I'm going to go ahead and put them to boil. Go ahead and now I'm just going to go ahead and boil the carrots. I'm turning the heat on medium high, and I'm just going to add 2 cinnamon. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. And I'm going to add the carrots. And this is about 6 cups of water. And you're just going to cover the pot and leave it to boil. And you'll know when they boil, they're going to get soft. Just leave them to boil for about half an hour. It has been 25 minutes and these carrots are boiled. You want to boil them just like this. See, nice and soft, very soft. Now I'm gonna let the water cool. Just gonna make this cool for a minute, and then I'm gonna blend it. You want this to be cool. Now that the carrot is cool, or somewhat cool, it's not that hot, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend these carrots. I'm gonna use the water that I used to boil it with. And I'm just gonna blend it and puree. See, smooth and nice. Looking so smooth and nice. Look at this. Now I'm just gonna transfer it to my jar or my jug. I'm just gonna blend I'm gonna finish blending it. I'm just gonna blend all of it. Okay. Looking so rich and nice. Oh my god. I haven't drank this in a long while now. Let me just... I'm not planning to use all of this water. So... okay. Wow. Now I'm gonna add the supligent, and this is 9.8 floss and 290 millimeters. I'm using this can of supligent. You can go ahead and use evaporated milk. You don't have to use supligent, or you don't have to use supligent, none of all. But I'm just doing it my way, okay? And you're just gonna give it a mix. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tin of condensed milk. We use 1 tin because we're not using any sugar. So you can taste and adjust the sweetness of it. Just taste along and adjust the sweetness of it. If it's too sweet for you, don't add 1 condensed milk. You can just use less. I'm gonna add the nutmeg, and this is 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, or you can substitute nutmeg for cinnamon powder. Wow, smelling so nice. Oh my. You want to mix this really good so all the flavors and the spice combine. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And I'm also gonna use some red label wine. I'm just gonna use a generous amount. Simple and easy carrot punch recipe. Now I'm gonna give it a taste. Wow, this is so good, guys. Please go ahead and make this recipe at home. Go ahead and get you some ingredients and make this recipe. If you have reached this far into the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And like and share. Look at this, so creamy and nice. It's not too sweet, and it's the right amount of flavor and spice. Guys, this is it. Look at it. Oh my god. And there you have it, guys. Simple and easy carrot punch. And now I'm just gonna pour myself a glass. I'm gonna put some ice cube and I'm just gonna pour some. Wow, look at that. Wow. Oh my god. Look at that. I'm just gonna use my carrot. Isn't she beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? Look at this. Nice and refreshing, tasty carrot drink. I'm gonna get me a straw. This is so beautiful. Simple and easy. Go ahead and make yourself some, guys. It is so good. Don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to like if you like this video, and share this video to all your Jamaican friends, US friend, everybody. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Bye, guys.